This seemingly simple, but actually groundbreaking invention was made in one man's garage using ordinary oak wood. Yes, you heard right, it's a completely homemade swing. But this swing is not just a plaything. It's a structure that defies the laws of physics, dancing with gravity. A vehicle that soars through the sky, but it's not an airplane. It's not a helicopter at all. This is a drone that's completely under human control. Yes, you heard that right. A drone with a human pilot. Thanks to this crazy technology, flying is now a part of our lives, straight out of science fiction movies. However, the person who turned this idea into reality is not a scientist, but an ordinary inventor. His invention is so advanced that even Apple engineers would be jealous. With limited budgets and big dreams, some passionate individuals are creating incredible off-road vehicles using old car parts and their own engineering skills. These DIY projects are a way to build not just a vehicle, but also freedom and adventure. This excavator is an engineering genius in every move. It can move a boulder or dig a trench with homemade hydraulics, and it does it all with a precision that beats professional equipment. Even Apple engineers were stunned when they heard the idea. How did he do that? This small but deadly device is a portable powerhouse on your wrist, and it's all homemade. A few simple ingredients came together in the hands of a genius, and the result astounds modern engineering. This wrist-mounted crossbow can hit its target with pinpoint accuracy in seconds, and it delivers impressive performance by controlling the balance of power. This completely homemade tracked vehicle displays incredible stability and power on difficult terrain. Overcoming all obstacles, be it snow, mud, or rocks, this vehicle dazzles not only with its performance but also with its design. What's even more surprising, the parts used are assembled from scrap materials and second-hand equipment. This handmade helicopter takes to the skies with ordinary materials and limitless imagination. With its weight balance, propeller system, and airborne capability, it not only rises from the ground, but also offers impressive maneuverability. This invention, which even causes Apple engineers to ask the question, "How did he do that?" is a work that pushes the boundaries of engineering. This inventor built his own floating paradise using a few plastic barrels, scrap metal, and ordinary pieces of wood. And this boat is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also incredibly functional. Solar-powered motors, a movable table, and comfortable seating areas, all made from scratch by one human hand. This flamethrower is something that you just need to press a button and a huge torrent of fire will instantly appear. This magnificent device with dancing fire is both terrifying and fascinating. This is when scenes from the movies come true in real life. We can't believe this guy. Ask yourself, how can an ordinary person do something so incredible? Even Apple engineers were shocked to see this. Here is a homemade electric scooter made from scratch, with his own hands. And yes, it was built with just a few basic tools, creativity, and a little courage. This electric bike is a perfect combination of speed and design. The most striking feature is that it's completely handmade. Our guy took an old bicycle frame and built an incredible powertrain onto it. Is that a motor? It's been pulled from a second-hand e-scooter. But wait, the really impressive part is the battery technology, a fully portable, ultra-fast charging system. This radio is made with components taken from the circuit boards of a junk TV. The antenna? An old umbrella wire. But wait, here's the most striking part. This device can receive not only local channels but also international broadcasts. Our man has created a communications revolution with a soldering iron and a few old parts. This ingenious device is made with an old smartphone camera, a few magnifying glasses, and some recycled plastic. Yep, you heard that right. This guy built a microscope that rivals professional lab equipment using simple materials from his home. This man's imagination knows no bounds. An old wooden barrel, a water pump, and some PVC pipes. These materials have created a system that rivals the most luxurious jacuzzis. The hot water cycle offers a professional spa experience. And what about the bubbles? That old aquarium air pump is now the source of joy in this jacuzzi. Are you ready? Because this time you are not faced with an ordinary invention, but a work of madness. Mutant Big Wheel. This huge, unusual design is not just a vehicle, but a masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of mechanical creativity.